Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a notebook in Canva. So first I want you to go to canva.com and I want you to go to ChatGPT. So now our goal is to find a idea and we're going to copy the idea and tell ChatGPT to make it. So for example, I'll just scroll until I find something I like. And once you find something you like, you can just copy it. Alright, I couldn't find one. Let's go back up. Maybe something like this. I want it to be similar to that. So now I want to go back to ChatGPT and click Control V, copy it first. You can Control C for that. And then you go back to ChatGPT, Control V. And you write, can you make me a notebook cover design? Can't spell design. Use this as inspiration. Let's see what happens. Wait for ChatGPT to create a design. So there's two ways to go about this. You can go in here and actually just look for, you could just look and see if you like one, but sometimes they don't have a design that you want and you want to take it a step further. You can go to Google and search up an idea, go to Pinterest, wherever you find the idea, and then ask ChatGPT to create something similar. And we'll make the cover. Let's see what happens here. Okay, see, it's made that. Now I just want to copy that. I could ask it, I'll delete this here. Delete, Control V, and you can just make it the full screen. So and there we go, we have the cover, and then you can click add page. And depending what you want in your notebook, if you want a weekly planner or you just want a simple notepad, I'm going to ask, I'm going to see if I can find a notebook. Here we go. Let's add that. Add page. That one's a bit different. I'll go back here. Put them in here. Say yeah, wanted like 10 pages or whatever, 100 pages, doesn't matter. Just add how many you want. We'll go 20 pages. Or 10 pages, sorry. And now we want to make a back for this. So we can go back to ChatGPT and ask it if it can make a back for the book. and then we just wait for that. As you can see, it turned out really good. And yeah, I didn't have to make it myself. We'll just wait for this now. So, yep, copy image, add page, paste, and then just make it as big as it should be. And there we go. We have a notebook that we made from ChatGPT and integrating it with Canva. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. I also want to mention that I have a ChatGPT PDF in my description. This will help you scale and help you create things faster, like this, what I just made. Or if you're trying to make a business, it could help you scale. It's pretty much using ChatGPT to grow your business. So if you like that, please download it. Thank you. Bye.